Guys, what is going on? I got an emergency update for you with Celsius. Obviously, I've been following Celsius closely over the last couple of days. I got my red light blockers on right now from Blue Blocks. It's getting late over here in the UK, so I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I always wear my Blue Blocks before I go to bed. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Comment in the feed if you've got any questions. You always give us a thumbs up as well. We appreciate you guys. Breaking news with Celsius, guys. I did a video a couple of hours ago on the liquidation level. They've now lowered the liquidation level again. Let's take a closer look. So right by here you can see Celsius has now lowered their liquidation level to 272206. Let's take a closer look into the Oasis pool. So look, they've lowered the level to 272206. The collateralization level is now 105655. And it's looking strong. Let's have a look as well if they've pulled any money out. Obviously, I covered it in my video earlier. They pulled 2,000 WBTC out of the pool. Yeah, so I said Celsius was going to make it, guys. I made the prediction. Like I said, Alex Mashinsky has always said that the Celsius community is the strongest community in crypto. Obviously, we've just seen the short squeezers fighting to the death to defend Cell token and protect the Celsius community. I think they're going to make it. I don't know if withdrawals are going to be around for a while though. Even like I said, even if they hold off withdrawals for a while, even if it's till things pick up in the crypto market, but Celsius survives, that's all that matters. Something's obviously happened in the background. I don't know if they found funds, they've raised money somehow, or they've pulled money from somewhere else that we don't know about. Something has clearly happened to make this change. Obviously, they've been smashing down the pool. The liquidation level a few weeks ago, what was it, like $16,000? So they've been smashing it right down. There's no way Bitcoin's going to $2,500. If you believe that, you shouldn't even be watching this video because we're all about Bitcoin. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment box. How you think they got there, though. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a smash. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already as well, we're doing a free crypto course at the moment. It's 7 weeks, 7 modules. It's a video a day. It's for beginners, intermediate and experts. Yeah, plenty to learn on crypto. We're doing a free course on YouTube. Check it out. But let us know about Celsius. Most importantly, what's going on? Something's happening. Something big's happening. I'm expecting maybe they make an announcement over the next day or two. Hopefully we hear from Alex Mashinsky or Celsius on Twitter, or they do an AMA at some point. Obviously, I reckon they've had to keep their mouth shut because of advice from the lawyers, like I was saying. But let me know your thoughts, guys. And yes, come on, Celsius.